true love from a man. I have something very important to share with you. It is not easy to say, but it is true. Many women live their whole life and never really know what true love is. This is very sad. It is hard to think about it, but it is true. Many people will never understand how powerful real love can be. But I want to tell you about a man who shows us what true love really looks like. This man is a great example of how a man should treat his partner. Every single day, he shows us how to be a good, loving man. Unfortunately, not all men are like this. Many men don't know what it means to be a real man. So, what is a real man? What does true love look like? Let me explain with some examples. A real man always wants to know about your day. He cares about you and your feelings. When you come home, he will ask, "How was your day? What happened today? Tell me everything." He really listens when you talk. He is not just asking to ask. He wants to know how you are doing. He wants to understand your life and your world. A real man respects you. He respects your choices. He respects your body, your feelings, and your thoughts. He never pushes you to do things that you don't want to do. If you don't want to do something, he will say, "Okay, that's fine. I understand." A real man listens to your boundaries and never tries to break them. A real man makes time for you. He will always try to find time to spend with you, no matter how busy he is. He may work all day, but when he's with you, he will focus on you. He will listen to you, laugh with you, and just enjoy being with you. He does not take you for granted. He knows that spending time together is important for a strong relationship. A real man shows effort every single day. Every day, he shows you that he cares. He does not wait for special days to show love. He shows you his love every day with his words and actions. He does small things to make your day better, like calling you to check on you, making you your favorite drink, or just sending a nice text saying "I love you." This effort is how he shows you that he really loves you. A real man will call you during the day just to check on you. He wants to make sure you are okay. He cares about your feelings. He calls not because he has to, but because he genuinely cares. He will ask, "How are you feeling today? Is everything okay? Do you need anything?" He will listen carefully to what you say and help you if you need help. A real man is always committed to you. He is loyal to you. He will never stop loving you. Every day, he looks for new ways to love you even more. He tries to understand you more. He wants to see you happy, and he wants to be there for you in good times and bad times. A real man is someone who says, "I will always love you, and I will always be here for you." A real man knows how important it is to protect your heart. He understands that love is not just about being with someone, it's about caring for their heart. He wants to make sure your heart is safe. If something hurts you, he will be there to make you feel better. He will protect you and take care of your heart. A real man never makes decisions when he's angry or upset. He knows that emotions can make us say things we don't mean. A real man thinks before he acts. If he is upset, he will wait before making any big decisions. He does not make permanent choices based on temporary feelings. A real man always makes sure you know where you stand in his life. You never have to guess how he feels about you. You always know that you are important to him. He tells you every day with his words and actions that you are loved and valued. A real man knows how to say sorry when he is wrong. If he makes a mistake, he will admit it. He will say, "I am sorry. I made a mistake. I will do better." A real man does not hide from his mistakes. He is honest with you. He always tries to be a better person, and he wants to be a better partner for you. A real man will protect you from others. If someone hurts your feelings, he will be there to help you feel better. He does not want anyone to make you feel bad. He will stand up for you when you need it. He will do whatever it takes to make sure you are okay, even if it means hurting someone's feelings. A real man will love you without expecting anything in return. He does not only love you when he gets something from you. His love is not selfish. He loves you because he wants to. He loves you because he truly cares about you. He will hold your hand, hug you, and kiss you without wanting anything more. He loves you just as you are. A real man will never talk to other women in a way that makes you feel uncomfortable. He is not interested in other women because you are the only one he wants. He will not give attention to other women in the way he gives attention to you. You are the only one who matters to him. You are his priority. A real man will always be honest with you from the beginning. He has good intentions. He does not pretend to be someone he is not. He will show you from day one that you are a priority to him. He will treat you like a special person, not like someone he can forget about when it's convenient for him. A real man will help you heal from past hurts. If you have been hurt by someone in the past, a real man will be there to help you get better. He will listen to your story and support you in your healing. He will never hurt you like the others did. He will protect you from pain. A real man will always value you. He will never do anything that could make you leave him. He will work hard to keep you happy and safe. He knows that you are important, and he will do everything to make sure you feel loved and cared for. So, here is my advice: wait for the man who never makes you question your worth. Wait for the man who will always make you feel loved and special. Wait for the man who will show you true love every day, without hesitation. Remember, real love is not about grand gestures or expensive gifts. It's about the little things, the way he cares for you, respects you, listens to you, and always makes you feel important. Thank you for listening to this story. I hope it helps you understand what true love looks like. You deserve to be loved this way.